Hi everyone, this code shows how to make the computer repeat a task a certain number of times and how to organize our code into smaller reusable parts called subroutines. For the first step, we tell the computer how many times we want to repeat something. The instruction push 8, as you can see it, push the number 8 onto a special memory called the stacks. Think of like writing down the number 8 on a piece of paper and putting it on top of a pile. This. And then for the second step, which is call, next call L2 is like saying go and do the main task, which is start at label L2 before going the computer remember where it was, the next instruction, so it come back later. And then step 3, getting the repetition count, pop R02. Pop R02. Inside the main task, L2 pop the R02 is like picking up the piece of paper with the number 8 from top of a pile. This number now stored in the computer memory box called R02. R02 now knows we want to repeat something 8 times. And for the step 5 is the repeating task, which is we add number 1 to R01. Now we have to look at R01, increase our counter R01 by 1 each time we go through the loop. Right after that, call L1 says go and do the small specific task at label L1. And step number 6 is small specific task L1 out for the output, which is this instruction takes some text that we have put in the computer memory at location 24 and shows it on the screen. And step number 7 is going back to the loop. As you can see, the return sign. After showing the text, return in L1 tells the computer to go back to where it was called from. Then CMP R02, R01 compares our target repetition count in R02, which is 8, with how many times we have done the task. And step number 8 is finishing the main task and ending. Once we have repeated show text 8 times, the loop stops. The return in L2 tells the computer to go back to where the main task was called from. Finally, HLT tells the computer to stop the program. So this is the code. First set how many times to do something. Then it goes to a main task. This main task counts how many times it has done a smaller task. So for my result, this is it. So this is the output. So I will click the run. As you can see it, my name is as an output. It will repeat it by 8 times. So if I show my program data, you can see it in my string in 24. My output is, you can see it, Ridwan. In the string value, I set the value to my name and I update. So that's how my result is outcomes. So that's it for my demo lab. Thank you for watching.